Hi, I'm Terry Roberts. I'm the author of Fionn MacCool and the Salmon of Knowledge. And here today with me is Emily McEwen, and she's also a Broad and Press author, and she's a Gaelic speaker. And today we're going to go through the words and actions in the book. I am going to show you the actions and say the words in English, and then Emily is going to teach them to us in Gaelic.
I'll say each Gaelic word, then I'll give you a chance to repeat it, and then I'll say it again.
Fionn.
Fionn. Fionn.
Fionn the poet.
Fionn and bard. Fionn and bard.
Salmon.
Bratan. Bratan.
Fire.
Chenna. Chenna.
River.
Avin. Avin.
Nap.
Norak. Norak.
Wise.
Gleich. Gleich.
Wisdom.
Gleichgus. Gleichgus.
The world.
Until. Until.
And 9.
Nu. Nu.
And thank you very much.
Tack believe gemod.